Hello, my name is Mike. This is a getting started video for Quickesign. I will show you how to set up an account at quicksign.net, add the Quickesign app to your Roku, create a simple layout, and display the layout. So first let's go to quicksign.net and create a free account. When you sign up, it will send you an email with some more information. Okay, so now we are logged into the dashboard, and it's going to take us directly to the page to link a device. So a device might be a Roku or a Fire Stick. We're going to talk about Roku. You see some steps here. So here is a link. You can use this link to add the Roku channel to your Roku account. I'll just click on that, and it'll have you sign in to your Roku account or create your Roku account. It'll give you a warning because this is the private channel, which is just gonna warn you about that. The private channel is nice because I can push updates much quicker to that. So this will add it to your account, add the channel, and after some time it will push it down to your Roku, or you could force the update with the instructions on this page. Now back to our dashboard, you can also search for Quickesign directly in your Roku to find the channel. So once you get the channel added, you will then start the channel, and when you start it up, it should take you right to the settings page, which gives you an activation code. You can use that to link to the quicksign.net account. So now back to our dashboard, I'm going to enter the activation code here, and the TV locations, just for your information, you can filter if you have a lot of devices. This is handy. I'll just call that Florida and Roku TV 1, and then I hit link. So now I get a success message here, as well as a congratulations on the TV. So now we have a link. We can see the device under the screens page. So you see my new device I called Florida, Roku TV 1. Playlist is empty, so that means we need to make a layout, and we need to add that layout to the playlist. So I'm going to go to layouts. This would normally list any layouts you would have once you create some. We're going to go to new layout. Give this layout a name, simple layout. My TV is standard mounted, so horizontal, and I'm going to do something simple. So you have a choice of simple or multi-zones. We'll talk about multi-zone layouts in another video. Now we create the layout. Okay, now we're in the simple layout editor, where we can do things like upload files. Click here to upload a file. There's some settings. You can change the name of your layout, change the transition. You can add some widgets if you have the Pro version. All of these are things like weather and other useful content. Once you upload a file, it'll save to your library. I'm just going to add an image from the Quickesign library. Now I have one image. It'll play for 10 seconds. I'm going to add another. And let's just have them play for 5 seconds. Up in this menu, you have a few more options. I'm going to add a background. So just click a background and hit save. Okay, so now I just have a background in 2 images. The first one will play for 5 seconds, the second one will play for 5 seconds. From here we can preview to test it out in the browser. We hit preview. There's the background, there's the image. The preview looks best when viewed on a 1920 by 1080 resolution, and you can also go full screen on your browser, and that's a pretty decent replication of how it will look on the TV. Okay, now back at the layout, we're just going to exit. That takes us back to the screens list, and you see I still have a TV with an empty playlist, so I'll edit and add to playlist. I only have one to choose from, and there we go. Now you can add multiple layouts to your playlist as long as you have the Pro version, and each layout you can set how long each one will play. And here's some information about my TV. It's an old Roku TV with only that resolution. Newer models have better resolution. This will also give me information like when the TV last updated, which can be very useful. And you can see it's inactive at the moment. Okay, and now the status is active because the new layout is playing on my TV. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.